See what happened? My battery's gone. It's missing. It's stolen. Nah, just joking around with you. I had to recharge my battery for the reason of that the kill switch I got wasn't this one. This one is the better one. Why? It's a manual kill switch. Yeah, I don't like using sockets. I just use an open crescent wrench. And these manual kill switches, they do a nice job. They go on either flat or up. Is it horizontal, vertical? That's a lot. That's a lot. So they slide open, they lock closed to go on. They got all copper. They got the copper cone that you put your negative on, and this goes on the battery terminal. But look at this. That don't look big enough to go on. Bright sunlight. I can't see it all. I'm blind. So I'm gonna put my ground on last, but my positive to go on and tighten up and snug. All right, if we had one that goes on the opposite way, this way, like so, then we're able to open this and close it correctly because this blocks it. That's going to be in the way. So I can place it like this, so I can open and close it correctly, and that's not bad at all. And it fits on there 100%. Going to tighten this down. Don't want to block anything. This is tight enough. Now I'm going to worry when I touch my ground that something's going to go off, so I'm going to grab my keys. I'm going to make sure that nothing happens. Now I'm going to try to get this over. Oh, that's nice and tall. Now I'm going to tighten that down. And off I go. I moved it to the side just a little bit so I could get my wrench in there. I just love old terminals. So everything's nice and tight. When I don't want my car to be on, woohoo, yeah baby, keep that in the off. When I do want to run my car, turn it on. Let's start the car up. I'm gonna shut my alarm off. Oh yeah, the car starts. Off it goes. Let's go kill it right now. Kill it. Now my battery won't drain. Here's the keys. The alarm's not gonna work. Gonna play with it all day long. Get yourself a manual kill switch. And why? The remote is gonna drain your battery. No more worries when I need to restart my car another time. Later.